Welcome to Jeweality. In our last video, we explored the text-to-image tool, where we generated designs using text and also looked at some advanced features. If you haven't watched that video yet, we recommend you go through it first to better understand the process. In this video, we will move to the next AI tool, Sketch to Render. With this tool, you can upload your hand-drawn sketch and instantly convert it into a rendered jewelry design. If you haven't purchased credits yet, you will need to buy a suitable credits package or subscription plan. Simply click on the Add Credits button and you'll be redirected to the pricing page where you can choose the plan that works best for you. Once your credits are added, you're ready to start exploring. To begin, click on your profile icon at the top to open your dashboard, where you can check your credit balance. From there, you can click on the Create button at the top. Then you will come to our AI page, where you can access all the tools. Now, select Sketch to Image. Here, you will find an Upload section, where you can drag and drop your sketch or simply click to upload. Once uploaded, your sketch will appear on the screen. Next, you can select the gold color for your design from the gold color drop-down section. For example, let's first choose rose gold and click on Convert to Render. Within about 15 seconds, your sketch will be beautifully rendered in rose gold. You can then try yellow gold or white gold as per your customer's requirement and convert the sketch into those variations too. After successful generation, two powerful features will appear. Try different view and convert categories. The Convert Categories feature lets you transform your design into different jewelry types such as rings, pendants, earrings, or bracelets. For instance, if you have an earring design, you can quickly convert it into a pendant. On the other hand, the Try Different View feature allows you to generate multiple perspectives of your design, such as side view, front view, top view, and perspective view. For example, by clicking front view, you can see exactly how your jewelry will look from that angle. All your generated designs are saved under the Recent Designs section. If you want more detailed specifications such as gold weight, diamond weight, or dimensions, simply click on a design and then select Show Jewelry Details. You can also download the design PDF and share it with your design team for further development. In this video, we learned how to use our sketch-to-image tools. That's all for this video. In our next session, we will explore the image-to-image tool and its advanced features. Thank you so much for watching.